Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enhance your image using the enhance feature on CapCut. So select expand and there's going to be an AI enhance feature. So what that does is it takes your blurry photos and makes it look more HD, I guess, clearer. Select it, select a picture, select edit, and it's just going to load for you. As you can see, this is the after and this is the before. It's way clearer. And once you're done, you're just going to select export and you're just going to press done, and it's going to be saved into your camera roll automatically, so you don't have to worry about that. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.